Hey you guys, this is Vivian and I'm back. Going to cook some air fried chicken for you guys in the Nuwave Brio air fryer. I'm going to preheat my air fryer as it states to preheat. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm going to set the preheating time and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I'm getting ready to season the chicken. While the Brio air fryer is preheating. At halftime, I will be adding onion rings to this meal, which will be the crispy red robin onion rings for my lunch. Okay. And by the way, you guys, this is one chicken ring split. It said it's got the tips, but I keep my tips because that's the best part of the chicken. And I like my tips. And I have a chicken back, the back of a chicken. I love chicken backs. Don't care what nobody else really think, but I love chicken backs and chicken wings. So we're going to season like we would normally do. That's just some Nature's Own season I'm using. And some garlic powder. Like I said, you guys, I love garlic powder. Love garlic, period. Flip it over. Get my back seasoned like I want it. Okay. And when that's finished preheating, I will dip it in the flour and put it in the Brio. We'll be back. I'm back, you guys. The Brio is preheated. Gonna lift the basket and I'm gonna spray with non-stick cooking oil so my chicken will not stick to this fry basket. So I had to get it coated real good. Stick it back in there. Wipe off the little excess that was sprayed all over the place. Okay, put the gloves on. Gonna put it all in the bag. Shake. Shake, while it's moving. Shake off the excess flour as it's coming off of that. Place the chicken back in. Now, one of the chicken wings. And my tip. Okay, you guys, it's ready to go in to the Brio. And you guys, I'm going to add 2 extra minutes because the chicken's supposed to cook for 25 minutes in the Brio. But I love my chicken extra crispy. So I'm going to add 2 extra minutes, you guys. We'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back and it's half the time. And this is what the chicken is looking like so far. You see, when you do it in the air fryer, it has little specks of flour still there. That's where you need some nonstick cooking spray or some olive oil, like I have here. And just dab it a little bit. Just dab it a little bit. I'm going to turn the chicken. Looking good. Chicken's not sticking because I sprayed the pan with the non-stick spray. Okay. And I'm going to dab the other side just a tad bit where the little flour spots are. It's not that many flour spots, but you want to spray it or dab it. And at this point, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead on and put my onion rings in. A few onion rings. They're frozen. I'm going to stick them on in there. Just a few. And we're going to put it back and let it finish cooking. The onion rings cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, you guys, we're back. And the air fried chicken is done. Look at that with the onion rings, very crispy. You guys, I'm going to pull out my onion rings. Oh, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just how I like my onion rings. Now the chicken. Ooh, crisp. That is the chicken back. Yum, yum. Lunch is going to be great. The wing. Tip. And there's the other part. Crisp. Air fry. Fried chicken and onion rings, you guys. Now, I'm going to move the plate and set it aside because I want to show you guys the grease that came out of those chicken wings, that chicken wing in that back. I'm going to pull this out, set this on the side. And now, this is hot, you guys, so you guys need to be careful when you're picking up this right after cooking. So I have to show you guys the grease that's not going in my body. I'm trying to eat healthy. See that, you guys? This is 1/4 a cup of grease that came out of this brio off the chicken. This is what I'm not putting in my body because I'm trying to eat healthy. God knows I need to eat healthy because eating all this fat blows up my hips. So I began to start eating healthy. You see the grease, you guys? Get front, close, and center. Well, you guys, it's time for me to eat lunch. I thank you guys. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Before I go, guys, I want to show you the plate up front and close. The chicken, the onion rings. Very crisp. This is crispy. Can you hear that? Yum. Crisp. Piping hot. Okay, you guys. Now it's time for me to eat lunch. Now I'm going to go and eat my lunch. Until next time, see you guys later.